Hello, it's Wednesday, August the 4th, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The dollar weakened against most major currencies after pending home sales came out lower at minus 2.6% versus 0.5% forecast. And personal spending also came in short of expectations. Nasdaq and Dow Jones fell by 0.52% and 0.36% respectively. Crude oil rose by 1.5% to close at $82.55 a barrel, and gold increased by 0.2% to close at $1,187.50 an ounce. The euro strengthened following the release of US industry data, led investors to favor the euro against the dollar. The pair has been trading upwards since July and has succeeded in breaking all the resistance levels in a strongly bullish momentum. Next resistance on the 4-hour chart is at 133.80 levels. Overall, the euro dollar traded with a low of 131.47 and a high of 132.62. Today, retail sales are expected to be 0.0% versus 0.1% prior. The pound continued to advance versus the dollar after reaching its strongest level since February, as former Bank of England Deputy Governor Gieve said that given the economy is showing signs of recovery, policymakers shouldn't further loosen monetary policy or purchase bonds. The pound dollar is in a clear upward trend, the RSI showing it will in all probability cross 160. The next support line on the 1-hour chart is 158.50. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 158.61 and a high of 159.68. The yen strengthened to an 8th-month high against the dollar amid speculation that the US may require additional stimulus measures to boost its economic recovery, damped investor appetite for the dollar. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 85.66 and a high of 86.60. No economic data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This depreciated for the first time in 4 days as signs of weakening growth in the US. The nation's largest source of trade pointed to diminished economic prospects. As long as the dollar CAD remains below 104 levels, the momentum is bearish. Next support on the daily chart is at 101.40 and the next resistance is at 103 levels. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 102.19 and a high of 102.74. No economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.